everyone. I am Arti. I'm a software engineer based in Mountain View, and over the course of this session, I had the privilege of mentoring Eva. From the get-go, I was really impressed with how Eva dove into her project. She picked up App Inventor, which we used for this project, very quickly, and whenever we were pair programming, she would zoom around the interface and add components and add code blocks as she saw fit. She came up with great ideas, not just surrounding what kind of big functionality she wanted to add to her game, but also how to make updates and incremental improvements to what she had already built. Through the past few months, we have dug into everything from basic event handlers to a pretty advanced gravity jump implementation. And Eva has taken every difficult concept and tough debugging session in stride. So without any further ado, I'm delighted to hand it over to Eva to talk more about her game.
So this is my mentor. Her name is Arti, and she's a software engineer at Google, and she originally is from Fremont, but now lives in Mountain View, and she also enjoys crocheting. Next slide. Okay, so my project is a mobile game. It's just called like the Seal game, and I wanted to create this mobile game because I wanted to learn how to develop one, and the topics and technologies I learned from it was coding on App Inventor and some animation using an app called Flip-a-Clip. And then my game features a seal swimming in the ocean, avoiding obstacles like sharks, and the seal earns 2 points for each clam it collects and starts with 3 lives, losing 1 when it hits an obstacle. And then for the future, I plan on enhancing the visual aspects and the overall aesthetics of the game. And additionally, I will fix some bugs that I encountered while developing the game, and especially the ones in the point system. So some highlights of my magical experience was when the game worked smoothly when I tested it on my mobile device, and then also the cute game sprites. I also gained an understanding of user interface, which I haven't heard of before. And then I developed coding skills using App Inventor and learned the general process of creating a mobile game. And then some challenges were identifying and resolving code bugs that, and then also issues with the viewing experience on mobile devices compared to the App Inventor platform, which is one of the hardest challenges in my experience. And next slide, please. So this is a demo video of my game. And yeah.
The up button, the seal goes up, and then when you press the right and left button, the seal goes to those according directions. This is the shark, which is an obstacle, and when the shark collides with the seal, it loses a life. If all the lives are lost here, the game is over. This is the point when the seal gets the air, it gains 2 points. As you might have already noticed, the points are overlapping. This is something to fix in the future. And that's the end of my demo. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Amazing job, Eva. We are opening now to questions so that the crowd here, both on Zoom and in person, can ask additional questions about your project and share some parts of it that they loved. So feel free to either take yourself off of mute or ask there in the room. And I do see a comment on here that the sprites really are cute. Fantastic job, Eva.
Thanks.
I'll start with a similar question that I asked Lily, which is now you've actually had two kind of computer science related classes, one with magic, one with CS&MD with the steel. How did those work together? What did you build on? How did those kind of work together to help you create what you created?
Well, I've had some experience coding in CSMD on this platform called Snap, and it wasn't that similar to App Inventor since the blocks looked really different. So App Inventor was like more new and kind of challenging to use at first, but then I slowly learned how to use App Inventor.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Question. I saw some kind of next steps and improvements that you want to make in the game. Are there any other projects you want to make based on your new skills you've developed?
What did you say? Sorry, I couldn't hear.
Was that hard to hear? I was just curious, you know, I heard about the improvements that you're interested in making in the game. I'm curious if you have any other projects that you want to work on with the new skills you've developed, any new ideas you have for either other games or just other things you want to create.
I've thought of like creating a game kind of similar to this, and also kind of like improving this game more, like fixing some bugs that I still have, and maybe like adding more characters and making it like a game with levels instead.
Very cool.
Well, amazing job, Eva. Your mentor shared that you worked really hard throughout this project, and we're really proud of you, as well as Lily. Two wonderful presentations. You know, I did forget to ask both of you an important question, which is there somewhere we can go to try out these games ourselves, because they look really fun. So if you do, send them on if you have links to those. We'd love to play.